Having trouble with your 8BitDo Ultimate 2.4 Giant Controller dongle? These initial troubleshooting steps will help resolve the most common connectivity issues. First, verify that your controller and dongle are properly paired. If they're not communicating, this is the most likely cause of connection problems. To manually pair your devices, plug the 2.4G receiver into your device, then hold the minus button on the controller for 5 seconds. The home LED should blink rapidly, indicating pairing mode. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connectivity issues. Use the 8BitDo upgrade tool to update both your controller and dongle firmware to the latest versions. Ensure your controller is in the correct mode for your device. Use Zinput for PC, Dinput for older systems, or Switch mode for Nintendo Switch. For Nintendo Switch users, enable Pro Controller wired communication in System Settings. Then press and hold -+LB buttons for 5 seconds to activate switch mode. Finally, try power cycling your controller. Simply turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. This simple step often resolves temporary connection glitches. These initial troubleshooting steps resolve most common 8BitDo Ultimate 2.4 Dry dongle issues. If problems persist, advanced troubleshooting may be needed for USB interference or driver conflicts. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your 8BitDo Ultimate controller issues, the problem often lies with USB interference, driver conflicts, or system-level configuration problems. USB 3.0 ports are a common source of interference for 2.4 GHz wireless signals. The high-speed data transmission in USB 3.0 can disrupt your controller's wireless connection. Here are several effective solutions to resolve USB interference. First, try connecting your dongle to a USB 2.0 port instead of USB 3.0. USB 2.0 ports operate at lower frequencies and won't interfere with your controller's signal. Another effective solution is using a USB extension cable. This moves the dongle away from potential interference sources, especially other USB 3.0 devices connected to your computer. For an even better solution, connect your dongle to the 8BitDo charging station. Then connect the charging station to your dock or computer. This provides optimal positioning and power delivery. If interference solutions don't work, you may have driver conflicts. Windows Device Manager can help resolve these issues by completely removing and reinstalling the controller drivers. Linux users may need to create custom UDEV rules to properly recognize the controller. This involves creating a configuration file that tells the system how to handle the 8BitDo controller. As a last resort, you can try calibrating the controller's dead zones. Press and hold the plus and minus buttons simultaneously for 5 seconds to disable dead zone settings, which may resolve erratic behavior. If none of these advanced troubleshooting steps resolve your issue, contact 8BitDo support directly. They can provide device-specific assistance and may have additional solutions for your particular setup.